How to replace battery in Sony TV remote.
If you have this kind of remote and looking to replace the battery inside, you must look at the bottom side to find this button. Simply press it and pull the back cover with the other end. Finally, insert two AAA batteries. Note that the negative side, which is the flat one, must be set on the spring. Then, simply replace the cap. And we are done.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!